dear. What's your name?
My name Davin. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm 9 years old. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old. What's your job?
I'm a student. What's your job?
I'm a student. Where do you study?
I study at Playcraft Primary School. What grade are you in? Where do you study?
I study at Playcraft Primary School. What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 3. What grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5. Where do you study English?
I study English at SET. Where do you study English?
I study English at SET. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. What's your nationality?
I'm Cambodian. What's your nationality?
I'm Cambodian. Where do you live?
I live in Pom Village, Chirakhamayon, Mesan District, Private Province. Where do you live?
I live in Pon Village, Chirakhamayon, Mesan District, Private Province. What do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a doctor. What do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I want to be a doctor. Goodbye.
Goodbye.